Introducing the new Workhose, the 1600 series hose reel from Penn Tool, featuring a lightweight design for easy handling, weighing in at under 12 pounds. Includes a 3/8 by 50-foot hose crafted from industrial-grade polyester. The air hose is not only lightweight, but also tangle-free, creating a workhose that is a breeze to carry and maneuver. And rated at over 300 psi of working pressure and 1600 psi burst pressure. Self-feeding and stacking retraction for a precision recoil and kink-free usage, ensuring a precision recoil that eliminates the hassles of binding or kinking. This innovation makes your work seamless, smooth, and frustration-free. 180-degree swivel bracket for easy movement and positioning. Designed and made out of a hardened ABS plastic for durability and made to be mounted vertically or horizontally. Light on weight, but heavy on performance, this reel ensures that you're always in control. Upgrade to the Workhose and redefine the way you work with pneumatic tools, making your job more efficient and enjoyable.